Hello everyone, welcome to Things Uncovered. Today, we're going to learn how the internet works step by step in the simplest way possible.
Thought about what actually happens in that tiny fraction of a second right after you press play on a video? It's a sequence we repeat dozens of times a day. You open an app on your phone, find a thumbnail that looks interesting, and give the screen a quick tap. That single, simple tap triggers a massive sequence of events spanning the entire globe at the literal speed of light. The moment your finger touches the screen, your phone sends a request for the video out into the air using invisible radio waves. Almost instantly, that wireless signal is caught by the closest antenna. Most of the time, that's your home Wi-Fi router, or perhaps a cell tower down the street. The router acts as the starting block for the race. It grabs your wireless request and pushes it into a physical wire, beginning its journey through the world of cables. From the router, your request dives into the cables hiding inside your walls, traveling out to the telephone poles or underground pipes lining your street. These neighborhood cables all merge together at a giant hub run by your internet service provider, or ISP. Think of the ISP as a central station that connects your home to every other network on the planet. Without this central connection point managing the traffic, your devices would be isolated, unable to reach the global network. At this point, the network knows which video you want, but it doesn't know where that video is physically stored. To find it, your request is sent to the Domain Name System, or DNS. The DNS functions as a digital librarian that looks up website names to find their exact computer addresses. In a fraction of a millisecond, this librarian identifies the correct record and finds the physical location of the building where your video lives. By assigning these precise coordinates, the DNS gives your request a specific map to follow, so it doesn't wander aimlessly through the network. Following that map, your request races across the country until it arrives at a massive data center warehouse filled with humming machines. Inside this building, your request is greeted by a server. A server is a powerful computer dedicated to storing files and sending them out when they are requested. However, a high-quality video is a massive file. It is too large to be sent back through the network cables as a single block. To solve this, the server divides the video file into thousands of tiny pieces called data packets. These individual packets are small enough to move through the wires and across the network without causing a digital traffic jam. This process of breaking data into packets allows the internet to move massive amounts of media simultaneously without overwhelming the system. Now divided into thousands of pieces, your video segments blast out of the data center to begin the race back to your phone. To move this quickly, the data travels through fiber-optic cables, long, thin tubes of glass that carry information using rapid flashes of light. These rapid pulses of light travel across entire continents and through massive cables resting on the ocean floor. The network may even send different packets down different paths to avoid congestion, yet they all race toward the same final destination. The internet is a physical network made of millions of miles of cables buried beneath our feet and stretched across the deep ocean floor. Finally, those flashes of light reach your neighborhood, hit your local router, and are converted back into radio waves that fly into your phone. In a flash, your phone catches these thousands of incoming packets and instantly arranges them back into their original sequence. Once every piece is back in its correct spot, the file is whole again and the video begins to play. That's the journey, from your phone to the router, through the IS key, across a librarian's records, into a server warehouse, and back through the ocean in thousands of tiny pieces. This entire global relay race happens every time you watch a video, all in less than 1 single second.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like and subscribe. It'll motivate me more to create more informative videos every week.